All right, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe an activity that made you feel tired. Please, you can start.
So basically, an activity that made me feel tired was a wall art painting. Basically, back in 2019, the event was held in Lahore at Johar Town. And why I took part in this, because as I am a designer, so I always fond of doing different challenging work related to my art field. So I found this activity very fascinating. So basically, the activity was a wall painted, in where the organizers allotted us a wall to paint, and also they given us the boxes in which
They gave us the boxes.
the material, like the paints and the paint brushes and gloves, all equipment was in the given boxes. So we have to paint the whole area. So the thing which made me very tired was actually, basically I thought it was very entertaining to do, but I was wrong, because it was harder than expected. So because it took like 9 hours to complete the painting, but the fun part was there was a free meal, which was very exciting for me. But other than that, it was very harder, because from like from behind the scene, I thought it was easy, we can complete it in 2 hours. But when we started to actually paint the whole ward from raw, like from a sketch to then the mixing of paints to make our colors, so I think that was very terrible, which made me more exhausted.
All right, overall very good. You spoke for 90 seconds. Keep it
Okay.
up like this. Now, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 3. Does studying and learning make people tired?
It depends what kind of study or learning they are doing. If I talk about myself, because I am from a art background kind of field, so studying that kind of thing, like artistic kind of history, or things like how the history was made, and how these kind of study, and then learning into my practical field, I think it is easier for
Okay,
me.
when do people usually feel tired?
When they feel tired, okay, after doing a hectic activity like painting, because if I talk about myself, painting requires a lot of energy and a lot of time, because you have to do from sketching to then create your desired color, and then finish it and wait for the color to dry it up. So I think this made me
Okay.
tired.
All right, let's go on. How can people solve the problems that old people easily get tired?
Old people get.
All right, how can people solve their problems these days?
These days, I think the best medium is mobile phone. Through internet, they can solve any problem like in a seconds. Depend what kind of problem they are facing.
Depending upon the nature of problem.
Depending upon the nature of problem they are facing. For example, if they are making their thesis, but they find they are lacking some kind of knowledge or some kind of article missing, so they can find it on
They can
Instagram.
find it.
They can find it on Google, because Google is the source of a lot of knowledge.
Okay, that's very good. Keep it up. There are some minor mistakes, but overall it's good. Ideas are good, answers are appropriate. Brush up your basic English grammar. I mean, tenses, there are fewer mistakes. And secondly, focus your pronunciation. Whenever you do IELTS listening, try to copy their accent. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.